We're asked for the sum of the digits in this completed cross number, hence we need to complete the cross number. Now, I would recommend you learn your square numbers up to 100 and any more that you can afterwards, like 11 squared, 12 squared, 13 squared, 14 squared, maybe all the way up to 20. Okay, have them at hand to save time in calculations. That's my recommendation. Cubes, try and learn them up to 1,000. Say that 9 cubed, for example, 729. If you've got them at the tip of your fingertips, you can, just help with some questions. However, wouldn't expect you to know your powers of 11 up to 5 digits. So ones that are useful to know, well, obviously 11 to the power 1 is just 11, and then 11 squared, that was part of your square number, remembering. And 11 cubed, I would recommend this one as well, 1331. Okay, that's all that I know up to really. So to work out the rest of them, we can times through. Actually, times them by 11 is quite quick because we're just going to get 1331 and then a 0, 1331. In fact, there is a strong link with Pascal's triangle here that you might want to look into. It breaks down at some point though. So we can, right, oh yeah, I should say 11 to the power 5, we're going to times by something that's bigger than 10, so we're necessarily going to get more than 5 digits. So this is the only one that can possibly fit. It's got to be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Right, now we've got the cube going across, but importantly, we've got the square going down. There's only one square number that ends in a 4 that has 2 digits, and that's 8 squared is 64. Okay, so if you know your square numbers, that's why you can just, you can speed run this question. If not, you're going to have to write them out. And then we're left with finding a cube that ends in 6. Okay, that's where this is really useful. If you know your cube numbers up to 1,000, then you're sorted because 1,000 has 4 digits, so it's got to be one of those that's less. And it's actually 6 cubed, which is 216. You can kind of do it a bit more quickly. You can realize, it's obviously not going to be, you can just do 9 times 9 is 81, and then 1 times 9 is 9, so 9 cubed is going to end in a 9. You can kind of take that kind of route, and 5 cubed is going to end in a 5. And when you do 6 times 6, you get 36. Whenever you times by 6, it will always end in a 6. So that's something to be aware of. But yeah, these are just different tricks. Ultimately, it's really useful if you know this. Um, and just maybe because it's a math challenge, just double check it though, just in case you make a mistake. So that is the filled and cross number. We're asked for the sum of the digits. So I've got, what have I got at the top? I've got 9 from the top, and then I've got 10, 15, 16. So the sum is going to be 25.